Hey, good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. This is day four. Day four of our journey in Massa Maritima. Day four. Here's where we are. This is another section of the area. They are cleaning the pool. As you can see, the machine is actually moving in. It's moving on its own. That machine is moving on its own, cleaning the pool. That's how they do it, just to make sure that the pool is clean. So that thing is actually moving all around on its own, just to make sure that you know everything is just good. So the place is such a very good place, guys. I'm not sure. Um, it's in the bush, but it's a very good place. Very good place. As you can see here, right? Yeah, it is a very good place.